Kingston 64GB Datatraveler DT50 USB 3.0 Flash Drive, Blue, 5-pack, B&H number KI DT50 64GB 5, B&H Kit, cost, $32.99. Purchased, on special, on B&H Daily Deals, also available on Amazon in the box. 5x Kingston 64GB Datatraveler DT50 USB 3.0 Flash Drive, Blue, free technical support. Limited 5-year warranty. Key features: 64GB storage capacity per drive, USB 3.0 Type A technology. Max data read speed, 110 MB/s. Max data write speed, 15 MB/s. This B&H kit bundles 5 Kingston 64GB Datatraveler DT50 USB 3.0 flash drive, for a combined storage capacity of 320 GB, which will allow to store files and take them with you on the go. Each connects to your compatible system with its USB 3.0 Type A interface that delivers read speeds of up to 110 MB/s. Kingston DT50 Overview. This B&H kit bundles 5 Kingston 64GB Datatraveler DT50 USB 3.0 flash drive, for a combined storage capacity of 320 GB, which will allow to store files and take them with you on the go. Each connects to your compatible system with its USB 3.0 Type A interface that delivers read speeds of up to 110 MB/s and write speeds of up to 15 MB/s. Small, compact, and lightweight storage solution that's easy to take with you. Metal casing complements any compatible device. No cap to lose or break. USB 3.0 standards with data transfer speeds of up to 5 Gbps. UPC 7406172555751. Kingston DT50 specs: capacity 64 GB. USB standard USB 3.0 Type A read speed 110 MB/s. Write speed 15 MB/s. Operational temperature 32°C F to 140°C F, 0°C to 60°C. Storage temperature 4°C F to 185°C F, 20°C to 85°C. Dimensions 1.77 x 0.79 x 0.36. 44.9 x 20 x 9.2 mm, weight not specified by manufacturer. Packaging info: package weight 0.055 pounds. Box dimensions: LXWXH, 4.5 x 4 x 0.5. Kingston 64GB USB 3.0 Datatraveler 50, 110 MB/s read, 15 MB/s write, DT50/64GB. Datatraveler 50 is a lightweight USB flash drive available in capacities from 8 GB to 128 GB. A superscript 1. The drive's compact, capless design features a metal casing that complements any compatible device and colorful accents that range by drive capacity. Fast. A superscript 2 USB 3.1 Gen 1, USB 3.0, A superscript 3 performance ensures data transfer of music, video, and more is quick and easy. Backward compatible with existing USB 2.0 ports for convenience. The drive is also customizable with your logo and or digital files. A DT50 is backed by a 5-year warranty, free technical support and legendary Kingston reliability. A superscript 1. Some of the listed capacity on a flash storage device is used for formatting and other functions and thus is not available for data storage. As such, the actual available capacity for data storage is less than what is listed on the products. For more information, go to Kingston's flash memory guide at our website. A superscript 2 speed may vary due to host hardware, software, and usage. A superscript 3 USB 3.1 Gen 1 performance requires a host device with a USB 3.0 or 3.1 port. A conditions apply. Contact your local sales representative. Highlights: compact, lightweight, capless design, metal casing with colorful accent, by capacity, fast USB 3.1 Gen 1, USB 3.0, A superscript 3 performance.